You need bigger than that, dude.
Yeah, I need a bigger fish, man.
Okay, calm down, wait!
Making gingerbread houses with fruit.
Mad bag style for your information.
Ito, wait. Ito na lang laway ko, ah.
That was nasty. What are you eating, red or green?
Yeah, orange.
That's what I ate. That was nasty.
What's expired too?
You're
Here.
How
do you know?
upright, like this.
I like green. I don't think you'll hold it. Put that on your
It's not sticking.
It's gonna fall.
It's not sticking. It's not gonna.
It's oily.
Your hands are...
No, it's gonna break the bread, dude.
No, it's not. If you go twist it around.
Oh, you're smart.
Good luck.
Tom's not gonna do it.
Good luck.
There's gonna be like big spaces.
You have to poke it through the thing now.
What if you break the cookie?
Then it's really game over.
No, jinx size.
Okay, the tape didn't work. Now
Try
we're
the
using
glue.
toothpicks.
Try the glue.
Next will be super glue.
Ooh,
Oh,
get the other thing.
You gotta do it all the way in though.
Who cares? Just stick it through.
you can. It's gonna go through the thing.
No, I meant through that one.
There's no.
Make
Yeah,
it
but
through
more,
that
yeah.
one. You have to go all the way through.
Or else you're
All the
just
way.
gonna puncture them. Stop it.
It's like he's trying to revive somebody.
It's like he's going surgery.
Let me decorate this guy.
Patience. It works. Pick it up. You twist it around. Let it twist it around. Yeah. Rub, hold it down. Put it down.
Good, you should have hold there.
Just grow.
It's going?
Just grow. Put it down.
Okay.
Keep going.
I told you it was gonna break the cookie.
Lava.
Hold it too hard. Okay, super
Oh, my snowman! I moved on with another project.
Go higher.
This one.
That's what she said.
That's what she said.